Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 5 ways to make 1,700 US dollars a month online in 2022. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. If you don't know how to make money online in 2022, here are 5 ways to do it. So there are many ways to make money online, and more people are starting to use them. You can try a lot of online ideas from home if you have a laptop and an internet connection. If you put time into starting a way to make money online, you will probably start making money right away. How quickly you start making money will depend on how much time you put into it and how determined you are. So here is our list of 5 ways to make 1,700 US dollars a month in 2022. 1. Create a course. Making a course is one of the best ways to make money online. You can sell your course on your own website or on Udemy. Many people make more than 6,000 US dollars a month by taking online courses. The best way to make a popular and successful course in your niche is to look at what other people have done. What ideas do people search for the most, and what ideas do they search for the least? How you can make what has been written so far more complicated and easier to understand. Focus on making content that is becoming more and more popular. 2. Sell domains. You can always make money if you buy domain names but don't use them. But it can be hard to sell a domain name sometimes. You are more likely to sell a domain if it has a single word that people search for. The easiest words to sell are ones that are often used and searched for. Also, domains that are popular are more likely to sell more quickly. 3. Buying and selling things. Selling things is something that a lot of us like to do. To do this, you can buy things and sell them to make commission. You can sell those things on websites like eBay or Craigslist. On the other hand, eBay gives sellers information that makes it easy for them to sell their items. Spend some time learning how to use these platforms to make your life easier. If you already know a lot about online marketing, it will be much easier for you. If not, don't worry. You can always start and learn. 4. Online tutoring. You can make a lot of money working from home as an online tutor. Even though tutoring jobs are in high demand, a lot of people take advantage of this chance to make money. If you love teaching and are very good at a subject, tutoring can be the best way to make money online. Show your degree or some other proof that you know how to teach that subject and you can start making money right away. 5. Social media consultants. One new way to make money online is to work as a social media consultant. Brands will ask you to manage their accounts and offer them many improvements and other services. It's a great way to make easy money because you can do everything from your phone. You can try to do this on multiple social networks. If you help brands improve their accounts and grow enough, it's a great way to make money. You will need to have a few skills before you can start giving business advice. Creating popular videos and getting as many people as possible to interact with you and the brands you promote may be the hardest skill to learn. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.